everyone. Today is Saturday. Saturday is my laundry day. I have a lot of clothes to wash. First, I go to my bedroom. I look under my bed and in my closet. I see many dirty clothes. I see white t-shirts, blue jeans, and colorful socks. I put all the clothes into a big basket. Now I walk to the laundry room. The laundry room is small but very clean. I see a big washing machine. First, I separate the clothes. I put white clothes in one pile and colored clothes in another pile. This is important. Next, I put the clothes into the machine. I add some laundry detergent. The detergent smells like flowers. It is very nice. I close the machine door, then I press the start button. Now the machine is working. It goes wash, wash, wash. I wait for 30 minutes. While I wait, I can clean my room. I tidy my desk and put my books away. I like a clean room. After the washing machine stops, I take the wet clothes out. They are wet and heavy. I carry them to the garden. The sun is shining today. The sun is very warm. I hang the clothes on the line. I use wooden clips to hold the clothes. The wind is blowing softly. I feel very happy because my clothes will be clean and fresh. Doing laundry is a big job, but I like it. It makes my life organized. Now I am finished with the laundry. I am a bit tired, but I am happy. Thank you for listening to my story.
Hi there, my name is Thomas. I live in a small, cozy cottage. Every Sunday I clean my house. Cleaning is important to me. First, I start in the living room. The living room has a big sofa and a small wooden table. I see some dust on the table. I take a soft cloth and wipe the table. Now the table is shiny. Next, I look at the floor. The floor is made of wood. I use a broom to sweep the floor. Sweep, sweep, sweep. I sweep the dust into a small dustpan. After that, I clean the windows. I love looking outside the window. I see green trees and blue birds. I use a spray and a cloth to make the windows clear. Now the house is very bright. Then I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite place. I wash the dishes in the sink. I use warm water and soap. I wash the plates, the cups, and the spoons. I dry them with a tea towel and put them in the cupboard. I also clean the kitchen counter. I put the fruit in a bowl. It looks beautiful. Finally, I go to the hallway. I organize my shoes near the door. Everything is in its place. My cottage is small, but it is very clean and tidy now. When the house is clean, I feel very relaxed. I like to sit on my sofa and read a book in my clean home. It is a very good feeling. Cleaning takes time, but it is not difficult. It is just a simple routine. Thank you for joining me today.
Hello, my dear friend. Sit down and relax. It is a rainy day today. I can hear the rain on the window. Tap, tap, tap. It is very peaceful. Even when it rains, I have chores to do in my kitchen. I am an old man, but I like to stay busy. First, I prepare the vegetables for dinner. I have many carrots, potatoes, and onions. I wash the vegetables in cold water. They look very fresh. Next, I need to clean the kitchen table. I use a sponge and some soap. I scrub the table carefully. I also tidy up the kitchen cupboards. I put the salt, the pepper, and the oil in a row. It looks very neat. After that, I wash the cooking pots. The pots are big and heavy. I use a lot of bubbles. I love the bubbles. They are white and soft. Now, the kitchen is almost ready. I also take the trash out. I take a small black bag and walk to the big bin outside. The rain is wet, but I have my umbrella. I come back inside quickly. I am a little wet, but it is okay. Now the kitchen is clean and the vegetables are ready. I can cook a hot soup for dinner. Cooking and cleaning are part of my day. They make me feel strong and happy. Do not be afraid of chores. Just do one thing at a time. It is easy. I hope you have a lovely, cozy day at home. Goodbye.